Guess who?
If you shut the fuck up and let me read my list, there's the fucking proof.
And so I obviously can't like.
So, number one, shut the fuck up for a second.
Crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me. That's what I'm
You would shut the fuck up for the 50th billionth time.
We agree on
These are things that we're agreeing on, and these are things that you've actually all got skewed fucking views on. You think that feminists are trying to take away your fucking rights, but as a matter of fact, what we're trying to do is we're actually trying to work on the same things that you're working on, but except the fact that you're so you're just too busy hating women. You can't fucking see that we're trying to actually work on the same situations.
Every tree, knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on wood.
I'm trying to I'm letting everybody else hear it, okay? It's not just they're too busy crying and being a fucking victim of this so-called oppression, rather than actually working to get something done. If they cared about the issues they say that they do, then we should be their biggest fuking allies. So, case in point, let me finish my list. So if there's anything that rings any bells, Mr. Ego, okay, then maybe you can want to listen and understand what we're actually about. Okay? Patriarchy.
Yeah, you keep going.
Anyways, I'm not done.
So what can I do? So are you?
Apparently men have been impressed with being men.
We make up 80%.
That's mental health issue. That's not the mental health issue. That's not a men's rights issue.
Have you checked out
Stigma.
Have you checked out CAMH? There are about 4 programs for women and maybe 1 for men. So go down to the grave site.